Introducing the revolutionary Fumoto oil drain valve, changing engine oil in giant construction machines with just the touch of a finger. No more getting your hands, clothes, and ground messy with oil waste. This innovative oil change method is now at your fingertips. Large construction machines require large quantities of engine oil and frequent oil changes. This is complicated and time-consuming. When you remove the oil drain plug, there is a risk of being burned with hot oil and getting hands and clothes messy. All of these problems can be solved by simply replacing your drain plug with the Fumoto oil drain valve. All you need is a wrench to install, and once the valve is in place, there is no need to ever remove it. To drain oil, just lift the lever and turn 90 degrees. If you connect a hose, the oil goes directly into the container. No more splashing. You can close the valve at any time to stop the flow of oil and change the container. No more spilling. The Fumoto oil drain valve has a straight joint type, an elbow joint type that enables you to adjust in any direction, and the regular type for engines that have tight space to install. All of these products are manufactured at a factory in Japan with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification from the International Organization for Standardization. To ensure the finest quality, each product is strictly tested and engraved with a lot number before leaving the factory. Use the trusted Fumoto oil drain valve for changing oil. Our product has been used for decades all over the world. We are confident that you will be satisfied with the easiest and most reliable oil change experience. Fumoto oil drain valve.